clairvoyant perspective, the energy of one's nervous system under influences of overstimulation breaks away from the rest of the body in a way that is comparable to static, dispersing outward and even causing subtle fragmentation over time. From a clairsentient perspective, this is sensed as urgency, tightness within the chest, inability to ground, and is often associated with either emotional detachment or frequently changing moods. The chest feels both light and heavy simultaneously, with the crown exposed. One may also perceive the subtle sounds of buzzing or unintegrated hums penetrating the essence of the overstimulated and reverberating off of the affected.